Hi friends, Erica here, back with day 2 of the 31 days of spooky scraps. Today's prompt is daily routine. When I was brainstorming what I wanted to do for this prompt, I thought I was going to do a simple grid layout and just incorporate Halloween-y elements, but since grid was a prompt later on in the month, I figured I could push my imagination a little bit further and do something a little bit more fun. So I found this really cool cut file online of a haunted house, and I thought it would be cool if I was able to cut out all of the windows and place photos behind the windows of parts of our day, which I just used my craft knife to do. Most of the paper I used in this video is from Paper House Productions. I'll go ahead and link them below. You can actually grab 20% off if you use my code PH20ERIKA for Erica. Some people think it might be a little weird that I'm cutting out my cut file with my craft knife, but I find that it's actually a lot easier and I'm less likely to tear my cut file or bend my paper. I find that sometimes I end up folding my paper in my cut file if I use scissors. Now, as I'm backing this all onto this star paper from Where the Wild Things Are collection, inspiration strikes, I thought it'd be kind of cool to take my new EK Success circle cutter and cut out a moon, stitch around it with orange thread, and place it behind my haunted house, and that will serve as my title anchor. Now I am moving on to placing my tiny photos behind these windows, which was a little bit of a struggle because, as you can see, they're not symmetrical shapes, the windows. So some of the photos aren't 100% fits, but it made me happy, and that's the whole point of why I'm doing this. So for this daily routine, I started off with just a regular weekday day. Since COVID, my wake-up time is now 7 a.m., which is much better than my previous wake-up time of 4:30 a.m., which I truly appreciate. Then shortly after, I grab the puppies, feed them, clean them if they've made a mess, and take them out. I log into work at around 8, I get the baby at 9, we eat lunch and play at noon, then we grab some dinner at 6 p.m., and then it's bedtime for the kiddo and toddler. For the toddler and the pups at around 9 p.m. So for the window structure, I'm going to include the daily routine on the inside of the window. So from the outside will be yellow paper, so it'll look like someone's home and it's nighttime, and then on the inside will be the daily routine. I grabbed some of the branding strip of the same wooden paper and I folded it to death, and I really scored it. And then I glued it down. I did change the direction and the location of some of the hinges just depending on what space I had next to the windows, but otherwise they were pretty well functioning, so I'm pretty happy with how that turned out. These sprinkly bits from Shadnee, you guys, are so cute. I'm going to link them below because they are just so special and tiny, and the level of detail that these have is incredible. Now for my title, it's pretty late in the day, so I ran out of any quippy puns. Well, kind of. Our last name is Breslin, and our husband really enjoys making word plays with our last name, so instead of our daily responsibilities, I placed daily responsibilities on there in October, and I did end up moving the alphas because they did not fit, but other than that, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you play along with our prompts. Our full participant list is below, along with a downloadable prompt list. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Bye!